All right, gentlemen, let's be real. If your mornings aren't what they used to be, and I think we both know what I mean here, you need to hear this. You're already drinking coffee every morning, right? But what if I told you that adding a few simple, everyday ingredients to that cup could actually help your blood flow, energy, and yes, those morning situations that used to be a lot more reliable? I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, a urologist with 7 years of experience helping men over 50 regain confidence, energy, and vitality. And today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your morning coffee from a simple wake-up drink into a natural performance booster without pills, expensive devices, or gimmicks. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Hit like, leave a comment telling me, where are you watching from? And make sure to subscribe with the notification bell on. That way, you won't miss any of these practical tips to reclaim your strength and confidence. Here's the truth most men don't hear. Declining morning performance after 50 isn't always about testosterone. Sure, hormone levels matter, but the real culprit is often circulation. Think about it. As we age, our blood vessels get stiffer, nitric oxide production drops, and those tiny arteries that feed your penis start to narrow. Quick caffeine hits from regular coffee might give you a temporary spike, but it doesn't solve the underlying problem. It's like putting a Band-Aid on a leaky pipe. What you need is premium fuel for your body. Ingredients that support blood flow, hormone balance, and energy all in one simple cup. I've worked with thousands of men over the past 7 years, men from all walks of life, engineers, teachers, veterans, who felt like their best years were behind them. And time and again, the solution wasn't hidden in a prescription pad. It was in everyday foods and smart morning routines. Coffee is a perfect vessel, but if we just drink it black or with sugar, we're missing a chance to turn it into a tool for vascular and hormonal health. The key is adding specific ingredients at the right time in the morning to optimize your body's natural systems. Let's go through the 5 powerful things you can add to your coffee. I'll explain why they matter biologically, emotionally, and practically, so you understand exactly what they're doing for your body. 1. Cinnamon, nature's blood sugar regulator. Now I know what you're thinking. Cinnamon in coffee? Hear me out. Not all cinnamon is created equal. You want Ceylon cinnamon, low in coumarin, which is safe for daily use. Biologically, cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, reducing spikes and crashes. Why does this matter? High blood sugar damages the tiny arteries that feed your penis first. Tiny vessels, smaller than a human hair. Cinnamon's polyphenols protect them and support steady blood flow, which is the foundation of reliable erections. Emotionally, when your blood flow is steady, you feel confident again. You're not worried about what if it doesn't work tonight, because your body is functioning. Practically, start with a 1/4 teaspoon in your coffee each morning. You'll notice smoother energy throughout the day without the caffeine jitters or crashes. One of my patients, a 58-year-old contractor, told me it was the difference between needing a nap after lunch and powering through his workday feeling alive again. 2. Cocoa powder. Boost nitric oxide naturally. Next up, unsweetened cocoa powder, real dark cocoa, not hot chocolate, and definitely no sugar. Biologically, cocoa is packed with flavonoids like epicatechin, which increase nitric oxide, the molecule that tells your blood vessels to open wide. After 50, nitric oxide production drops, but cocoa can help restore it naturally. This means firmer erections and better circulation throughout the body. Emotionally, improved circulation is like flipping a switch. You feel alert, confident, and ready to engage with life and intimacy again. Practically, add 1 teaspoon to your coffee. It tastes like a fancy mocha without the sugar. Bonus, cocoa improves mood via natural compounds like anandamides and phenylethylamine, so your brain feels as good as your body. 3. Maca powder, adaptogen for hormonal support. Next, maca, an ancient Peruvian root called natural Viagra. Biologically, maca doesn't force blood flow like a pill. It helps your body produce its own hormones naturally. It contains 19 amino acids, magnesium, zinc, and unique compounds that support testosterone production and energy. Emotionally, men report feeling more resilient, more like themselves, mentally and physically. Practically, add a teaspoon to your coffee 3 to 4 times per week. Effects build over 2 to 3 weeks. It has a nutty, malted flavor that blends nicely. Yellow maca is mild, red maca supports prostate health, black maca boosts energy. 4. Coconut oil, fuel for testosterone production. Yes, coconut oil in coffee sounds weird, but it's powerful. Biologically, testosterone is made from cholesterol and fats. Coconut oil provides medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which your liver converts into immediate energy. Steady energy all morning and support for testosterone production. Emotionally, when your energy is steady, your confidence rises naturally. You're alert, engaged, and ready to take on your day. Practically, start with 1 teaspoon blended into your coffee. Use a blender or frother for a creamy latte-like texture. If digestive issues occur, start smaller and build gradually. 5. Ginger. Circulation rocket fuel. Finely, ginger, fresh, or powdered. Biologically, ginger contains compounds that dilate blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and protect testicular function. Studies show daily ginger can boost testosterone levels and improve sperm count and motility. Emotionally, protecting testicular function means feeling mentally and physically strong, knowing your body is performing the way it should. Practically, add a thin slice of fresh ginger or 1/4 teaspoon powder to your coffee. Fresh has immediate volatile oils. Powder is concentrated for long-term benefits. Don't try all 5 on day 1. That's a recipe for digestive chaos. Week 1, start with cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon every morning. Week 2, add cocoa, 1 teaspoon. Week 3, introduce maca, a teaspoon 3 times per week. Week 4, try coconut oil or ginger, whichever appeals to you. Track your energy, mood, morning performance, and workouts. You'll notice improvements in just 2 to 3 weeks and a month in. This can become a permanent part of your morning. Lazy man option. Premix cinnamon and cocoa, 1 spoonful in your coffee. Done in 5 seconds. Weekend. Power brew. Blend coffee, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon cocoa, small piece fresh ginger. Creamy, delicious, and effective. Gentlemen, your body hasn't given up on you. Small, consistent changes can restore confidence, energy, and intimate performance, even if you've been struggling for years. Men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s are seeing results with these simple, accessible ingredients. This isn't about chasing a quick fix. It's about supporting your body's natural systems, reclaiming your identity, and feeling alive again. So here's my challenge. Tomorrow morning, upgrade your coffee with one of these ingredients. Start small, be consistent, and notice how your energy, circulation, and confidence respond. Drop a comment and let me know what you currently put in your coffee and which of these ingredients you'll try first. Share this video with a friend. Sometimes the best thing you can do for a buddy is give him a tip that could change his life. If this video helped you see that your body is still capable of amazing things, hit subscribe for more real talk about men's health after 50. No judgment, just practical tips that work. Remember, age is not the end of vitality. Small, intentional actions each morning can transform your energy, circulation, and confidence. Stay strong, gentlemen. This is Dr. Nora Hayes reminding you, the best years of your life aren't behind you. They're just getting started.